Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, while I was shopping, I came across these. These are McCain French fries, specifically for the air fryer. It even has recommended by Ninja on there. We have our Ninja Flex Draw air fryer behind me. So we're going to try and cook these today and see what they're like. Now, the instructions do say that all air fryers have different wattage settings, but there's three, don't know if you can see that there, 3 wattage settings, but they all say 5 minutes cooking time. We've got to preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees first, so let's get on with it. So here we are, recommended by Ninja. McCain air fryer, quick and crispy French fries. Although French fries weren't actually invented in France, they were invented in Belgium. That's a different story. And here we go. Here we are, UK's #1 fry. I'm not sure if you can get these in the United States or any other countries. I'm sure they might have an equivalent. And here we have the cooking times. Preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees. Cook times below based on the power output of the air fryer, and we've got 2000 watts 5 minutes, 1700 watts 5 minutes, 1400 watts 5 minutes, so the cooking times apparently don't vary. But here we are. Place the fries in the basket and leave to bake. Cook until they're lovely, crisp and light golden. Now, usually when I'm cooking fries, I will toss them halfway through the cooking cycle, but this hasn't actually said that, but I will do that, and we will cook them for dead on 5 minutes. So let's get it on. We've got our Ninja Flex Draw air fryer here. There it is. And what we're going to do is turn him on. Now this has got one drawer, but it's in 2 halves, as you can see. So I'm going to be doing some plain French fries in this one. And in this one, I'm going to be using some of this Cajun seasoning. I'm going to pour it over those. So we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. So what we want to do is get them heated up to 200 degrees. So we're going to go zone 1, air fry, 200 degrees. It says 5 minutes cooking time. So we're going to put this to 7 minutes. Give it 2 minutes of preheating. And I'm going to go match for the other zone and push start. When we get down to 2 minutes, we'll add the fries, add the seasoning, and we'll see how they turn out. Here we go, guys. 5 minutes. Got an empty air fryer. I'm going to put in the fries. I'm going to do this off camera. There we go. Give them a bit of a shake. I'm going to put some of that Louisiana Cajun spice seasoning onto this side of them. Going to give that a shake. Mix it all up. And then we're going to chuck them in the air fryer, and hopefully we'll have some perfectly cooked fries in 5 minutes. I will give them a toss at 2.5 minutes. See you then. Here we go, guys. We're coming up to 2.5 minutes of cooking time. Let's have a look. Give them a shake. Put them back in for the last 2.5 minutes. Here we are, guys, almost at the 5 minute mark. The air fryer's gone into cool down mode. Let's turn him off. Noisy thing. And let's have a look inside. They're definitely sizzling. Don't know if you can hear that. They sound quite crispy. Let's get one out and give it a taste. Let's get them on a plate. Well, here we are, guys. Let's give them a taste. I haven't put any salt or anything on these ones. These are the plain ones. Very good. And these are the ones that I put the Cajun seasoning on. Let's give that a taste. Really, really good. Really good. Really crispy. 5 minutes is plenty. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up button, leave any comments down below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys, bye for now.